we're here for Tutorial Tuesday again for pie plate patterns, and once again we're going to talk about house square triangles and some really fun things you can do with them. I have this piece of fabric that has these cute little tulips on it, and so I just kind of made my own template here, and it's my half square triangle tulip. And let me show you why I call it that. This is my background piece that is cut 1 inch bigger than I want my finished block to be, just like you do on your half square triangles. I drew a line on the right side, not on the wrong side, but on the right side of my background piece, and then I appliqued this tulip, leaving at least a 1/4 inch below the leaf so I don't get that in the seam, and then I don't finish the edge right down here. You don't need to, because that'll be in the seam. And then I do it on the other side as well. So see, these aren't connected. There's space in between them. So there's 2 of them on here. This is one, and then I do the other one. And then I'm going to take my other piece, and I'm going to stitch, and I can see the line through the fabric, and if you can't, then draw another line and then just stitch on both sides of the line. Let me show you. I've stitched on both sides of this line here, and then I've cut it. I've already cut it, and then I get 2 squares like this. It's really fun, and you can try a number of different things, but I just, like I say, took the tulip pattern kind of from the fabric and made my own there. Another fun idea you can do for half square triangles is to take a piece of fabric and find the center. I've marked it with a pin, and I'm going to take a doily. Now this is kind of a thick doily, so it's probably not the best one to use, but you can find them at any craft store. Then I'm going to put the center of the doily where the center is, and I'm going to pin it in place. Maybe I should pin it out here a little bit. And then I have another piece of fabric that's the same size, and these are cut 11, so it's going to be a 10-inch finished block because these are 8-inch doilies. Then I'm going to lay this one on here, and I have my diagonal line cut. I'm going to sew on both sides of the line, and then when I fold it back, or when I cut it apart, you're going to have 2 blocks that look like this. And it's fun to use different kinds of doilies, or maybe handkerchiefs from your grandma or something like that. You could sew into your half square triangle and get a really cute block. And another fun idea is to just take your half square triangle and applique a basic shape on top of your half square triangle, and that gives you a really fun look. It's very easy, and I just think half square triangles have so many fun things you can do with them. So these are 3 more ideas for half square triangles. So I hope you try them. Thanks.